Hi everyone, Deb here, long time no see. I am actually here, what is this, Tuesday? Wednesday, 3 days late with hashtag 52 weeks of colorspiration, but I wanted to get the video up and stay on a weekly basis at least. So my apologies to Brandy once again. I'll try and get next Sunday's up on time as our schedule. So Sunday, I was with my granddaughter Haley, so we colored together. And I probably could have done a video when I got home that evening, but I didn't. And clearly I didn't get it done Monday. I had things going on Monday. Tuesday, I maybe could have, but I didn't come up to the craft room at all. And Wednesday, today, I actually had to be somewhere all morning and helping my brother with something. So anyway, here I am. These were done on Sunday in the afternoon, already late for this collab. So I colored out of Matchstick Mouse a floral coloring book, and both of us used Tombow water-based markers. Don't use water-based markers in this book if you have it. They're not the best on this paper, but I learned the hard way. They seem to have done better in the book Haley chose. So anyway, I did, is this the right one? Yes, I did this one. Am I doing these in order? I think. Well, I skipped the first one, but I had done the other one previously. So yes, I did this one. I think it came out okay, but the paper really was getting warpy, and this is actually the other one, but it did go through. So this is kind of both this one and another one on here. Anyway, here it is. It's cute, and I couldn't figure out what color to make the walls because I made the teacup gray. The problem with the water-based markers too is I don't have as many colors, but since I was carrying things to where Haley is, to their home, I couldn't take a ton of stuff. I took one set of colored pencils too, but we decided not to use those for whatever reason. So yeah, this is what I did, and it came out okay. I like it. Let me know what you think. Hers is really cute also. And here it is. It's out of the Animals and Flowers book that Brandy and I are using for our end of month. And here's what she did for her little pinky. I think she did a great job. She even did shading on the flowers using two colors and the leaves. And she said, my pig has stripes. That's another problem with the water-based markers. And this particular one, this light pink, seems like it's getting a little dry, so it left streaks, but she said, I have a striped piggy. But it turned out cute. I really like it. She did a great job, better than I did actually, as far as shading and stuff. So anyway, yeah, good job, Haley, if you see this. And yeah, it was fun. We um we had lunch together, we took a walk together, we colored together, and then we just relaxed for a little while until her mom got home, who had been out in Pittsburgh helping the older granddaughter move into her new apartment with her friend, because they had to move out a week earlier from the old one, put stuff in storage, and then Amy was there to help them move in for a couple days. So anyway, and her dad was at work. So yeah, that's it. I don't mind. I love spending time with my family. So yeah. Alrighty, guys, so Matchstick Mouse and Animals and Flowers. I think I'm going to use colored pencil, but I haven't picked what image yet for Sunday. Oh gosh, my calendar's still in July. I think what is Sunday, the 9th or something? 9th or 10th? Anyway, yeah, I'll see you then, and you'll see. In the meantime, I am going to put up a haul video today as well. Mini haul overdue. So stay tuned. See you soon.